Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to check for update. So guys, if you want to update your iPhone to latest iOS version and facing this type of issue, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply you need to open your settings here, and guys, make sure that you have connected with Wi-Fi. So guys, if not have Wi-Fi, you need to turn on your mobile data on your iPhone, and guys, after doing this you need to go back. Secondly, you need to open your general here, and guys, you need to click on date and time. Make sure that date and time is set automatically, and guys, click on language and region, and guys, you need to make sure that you have selected the region according to your country. And guys, after doing this you need to go back, scroll it down, click on VPN and device management, and guys, if you have connected with any VPN, then guys, you need to disconnect your VPN. And after doing this you need to go back, scroll it below, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset, and guys, you need to reset your network settings. And guys, after doing these settings you will be able to fix this problem easily. So guys, now I am going to check that my problem has been fixed or not. So guys, as you can see here, my problem has been fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.